So in part one of this video series, I found an old dilapidated insect collection and removed the insects from it with the intent of putting them into a new collection. And so I took them out, but while that was happening, some of them broke. And so in this video, I am going to fix the ones that broke, or at least I'm going to try to. This is going to be a delicate operation for a variety of reasons. First, if you happen to have an unsteady hand or flinch at the wrong time or don't have a good enough magnifying glass, all those issues can lead to results that look like this, which I'm not even sure what species of beetle this is because I mutilated it so badly trying to put it together. Another issue I'm going to have to be cognizant of is what super glue does to styrofoam cutting boards like this one. Can't see it very well, but it's carving out a nice little hole there. So that's what the super glue did, and it looks like it's still foaming a bit. And if you happen to drop too much of it, it can actually go through the styrofoam, which is not a fun thing to happen. And I know this because I did not originally know that super glue did that to styrofoam, and so that led to some fun incidents. First, I'm going to work on the scorpion who lost a leg, and I'm going to stick it back on using some super glue and a toothpick and the tweezers. So let's see how smoothly I can do this. Not very. And then try to support the leg, and then I'm just going to let it dry after that. As you can see, I did not get it lined up very well, but it looks like it will stay. So it's time to begin preparing. In the next video, I will be integrating some of these results with this other display case.